Hi guys, good morning. So kindly wait, so the trainer is connecting now. So some network issue, that's the reason of the delay. Kindly wait, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Okay, so any problem with anyone? Any point which is not clear to you all? Okay, so let's move on ahead. Grep command was left, head and tail we had completed. DDA command also we had completed.
Yesterday command PDF. Ma'am.
I have already sent yesterday. You see in your earlier chats, I have sent that PDF.
No, that is not found in group, ma'am.
Guys, is it not there?
The PDF is not received in the group, ma'am.
Okay.
Please send, ma'am.
No, Sonali, there has not been any document shared yesterday.
No, yesterday, no. On I suppose last week I shared that document. When I shared that VI editor document. You can see here Unix file system regular. Everybody can see my screen. This fourth document I've shared. No worries, I'm sharing it again. Okay, so DD command practical everybody has done. Has everybody done the DD command, head and tail command practical?
Yes, yes, yes.
Please send me all of you. Those who have done, please send
Yes.
me on chat. Okay, all of you, please send me on chat. Then only I'll move ahead.
Sonali, do you want the
Building-
screenshot that
yes,
dumb thing?
yes, I want the screenshot. Yes, I want the screenshot. Okay, others have not sent.
Sonali, meanwhile others are sending the chats. Yesterday in the yesterday session, you were doing one query. There was a file. There were two columns. One was there were some alphabets, and in the second one there were some numbers, and it was
Yes.
space deleted. And using VI
Yes.
editor, you wrote a command which replaced the spaces with a comma.
I will teach that. I will teach that.
Yeah, great.
I will teach that. Okay. Since nobody is sending, moving ahead. Okay, so this was done. Okay. Now what we have to do is I have to teach you guys grep command. Okay. So what do you mean by grep command? Grep stands for globally search a regular expression and print it. Okay. So what do you mean by that? Okay. Uh, Globally searching a regular expression and printing it. So what do you mean by globally searching? Means it will search from different files. I'll give a pattern. Okay, it will search from different files, whether it is visible or not, whether it is there inside the file or not. If it is there inside the file, it will automatically print it. Otherwise, it will not print it. Okay. So grep stands for globally searching for a regular expression and printing it. Okay. So here you can see grep. Grep is not used alone. There are many different options with it. Many different options we can use that. Okay. So grep filter searches a file for a particular pattern of characters and displays all lines that contains that pattern. The pattern that is searched in the file is referred to as regular expression. Grep stands for globally searching for regular expression and printing it out. Okay. Okay. So suppose I want to search for any word. Okay. Suppose I want to search for Unix. Okay, I do cd, I come back in my home directory. Okay, I write grep. Okay, Unix. Okay, asterisk. Okay, so you can see this is a lot of errors coming on right now. I am sending these errors to somewhere else. I'll explain you what is this, okay, afterwards. So right now, firstly, your focus is grep, okay. So you can see only one file contains this word Unix, which is perm.sh, okay. And this line is there, equal all permission happy Unix, okay. So this is only one file which contains the Unix, okay, the word Unix. Okay, so you can see there is this lot of data which contains this word. Okay, so there are files. I want to not get confused. Leave it. Okay, so this you might have understood. Okay, suppose I want to search for word for. So here you can see there's a lot of files which contains this word for, but there are more errors with it. So as you can see, this word for is a kk.txt log file, random.sh, ftp.conf. So all the for, okay. You can see this before one also means other also. Every for it is searching, but I want that particular for only, that for word only to be searched, not this all. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use this WO. Okay, so what do you mean by I and W? I stands for ignore case, means whether it is in small letter or in capital letter, you have to print it. Okay, you don't need to mention whether it is in small or capital. Okay, you have to print it. Okay, so the I stands for ignore case and W stands for particular word searching. Okay, so when I use this, only for is searched. Okay, not before or any other word. Okay, for that particular purpose, use hyphen W. W stands for word search. Okay, now suppose there are different options available. Okay, think you might get confused. Okay, so
Sonali,
firstly, yes.
Sonali, can you please, rewrite that command once again? The last command. Yeah. So what does this two greater than backslash Dave slash
This
null? Can you read this one? Yeah.
this yes, this is for error. Okay, I have redirected the errors to somewhere. Okay, this I will explain you in next chapter. Okay,
Okay. So grep is looking
because
for, yeah.
yeah, because this is next chapter discussion. Okay, so right now you won't understand if even if I make you understand. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. So actually, can you normally use grep without this command two greater than def null so that it will be easy to understand it
We
as
were
completely.
using now. We were using it now. You were getting so many errors. I
Okay.
showed you now. We were using it, so we were getting so many errors. That's why I use this now. You can see here. I use this grep, okay? IW. And now firstly let me explain you this, okay? So grep
Yeah.
hyphen IW, I explained you the meaning of I and W. Then the syntax means that the thing we want to search. Right now we want to search for word for, okay?
Right. Yeah.
And then asterisk stands for anything or everything. Means everywhere I want to search it.
Okay.
Okay, in my entire directories and subdirectories, wherever it is, in my current home, I will search it. Okay, so this
Okay.
is the right now the meaning. But when I do it, you can see that such a errors are coming that it is searching in directories also. It should search only in files now, but it is searching in directories also. You can see these errors are coming. Is a directory, is a directory, is a directory. Okay, so
Right.
in order to eradicate these errors, I have used this. 2 is greater than slash dave slash null.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Suppose
Oh,
I'm taking another word. Suppose, okay. Suppose I take users. The multiple. Suppose I just take Sonali, okay. Hyphen IW Sonali. Okay, so you can see that when I'm searching, it is in files. It is telling me that bg.txt, v.txt, the word Sonali is there. Okay, this is also a file users.txt which contains this data. Okay, but
right.
this is the error. This is the error, is a directory because it is searching in directories as well. Okay, I
Right.
need
Right.
to delete it. Yes, I need to remove them. That's why what I do is I put this. Now
Got it.
only data, proper data I am getting. Okay.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. So next is hyphen C. Okay, suppose I want to count the number of lines which matches the given string. Okay, suppose I want to count that number of lines which match the given string. Okay, for that we use this hyphen C option. Okay, so let's start. Grep hyphen C. Okay, suppose I have a file. Okay, I have so many files here. You can see here in my current directory, I have so many files. Okay, okay. So what I have to do is, suppose I have to search for word division. Okay, mm, hyphen I have used. Okay, asterisk, and here I'm using 2 is greater than slash dave slash null. Also, you can see here that when I search for this word division, okay, so you can see in this file I am getting calculator.sh, percentage.sh, p.sh. Okay, 2 3 files are there in which I am getting this. Okay, division. Now suppose I want to count them. Okay, so what I'll use C. So C will tell me in each and every file whether the word division is there or not. Okay, you can see here in each and every file it is showing me. But in p.shu it is telling me yes, one is there. Okay, one word is there with the name division. Okay, like in percentage of that sh it is showing me it as 3. Okay, like so on and so forth. For count purpose we use this. We can specify a particular file name as well. Okay, if I know that yes it is there inside it. Okay, so I can specify a particular name as well. Okay, suppose I write p.sh. Okay, suppose I want a percentage.sh. What's the file name now? So it is telling me that in percentage file we have 3. Is it clear to all of you? If it is not clear, I'll explain it again. Please ask.
Please explain
Topic
again,
it is.
Sonali.
Okay, which part? The C one hyphen C option?
Yes, this and we'll do that. Last comment,
Okay,
previous comment.
okay. So hyphen C option is used for counting purpose. Okay, the counting purpose means how many times the word is occurring. Okay, inside our files, how many times the particular word is occurring. Okay, so grep hyphen ci, okay, that particular word and file name. Okay, this is how it works. So you can see here I write grep hyphen ci, okay, that particular word, okay, and my file name. So here you can see where we are getting that 3 times it is occurring in that particular file. Okay, now if I do it for everywhere, okay, suppose like this I do for each and every file. So it is telling me the data of each and every file. Okay, that in each and every file how many times it is coming. Okay, so I is clear, C is clear. Okay, L. L stands for, okay, what do you mean
Sorry,
by L?
Sonali. I got network issue. Sorry. I am clear with C. What is I here?
I stands for ignore case. When we want to ignore the case actually. Okay, whether it is in capital letter or small letter, it does not matter to me. Okay, what the things matter is that I have to search that particular word. Okay,
In the first comment, I also the same thing.
suppose if I do grep, okay, I search for the word division. Okay, I search it like this, but it is showing me no such file or directory. It is not showing me everywhere because the division in my files is in capital letter. Okay, so what I do is I want to ignore the case. That's why I put hyphen I. Okay, so now when I search it, you can see that it properly I'm getting my data.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes. So grep hyphen I searching for Unix. Here hyphen I also stands for the same thing, correct?
Yes. Everywhere hyphen I stands for ignore case.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else who's not understood? Okay.
Why is that percentage calculated, Sonali?
Which percentage?
You have used PRE something, PRC something.
What I have used right now?
Not now, before. After CI command, after CI.
Tell me this one.
No, previously of yes, this one.
This
Why?
I gave the file name instead of asterisk. I gave the file name. Okay. Instead of
Okay,
asterisk, I gave the file name.
okay, fine, thank you.
If I want in particular file, I'll give the file name. Understood?
Yes. Division.
Okay. Division is the word I am searching for.
Okay.
Okay, this is the syntax. Grep, okay, option, then the word we are searching for, then the file name. Okay, if I want to search inside the file, I'll write the file name. If I don't want the file name, then we can write asterisk if I want to search in my entire system. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so next is hyphen L. Okay, hyphen L stands for, okay, displays the file name which matches that particular pattern. Okay, so what do you mean by that? Let me show you. So suppose I want to search for the word division. Okay, so you can see three files are there. Okay, three files are there which search for the word division. Is it clear to all of you? It tells me the file name which contain that particular word. Hyphen L option. Okay, I'm moving ahead now. If I write hyphen N, okay, so hyphen N, what does this mean? Hyphen N, okay, it tells me the number lines. Okay, it tells me the number line. So you can see that in calculator.sh, okay, we have the word division on 10th line. Okay, in percentage.sh, we have on 8th line, 12th line, and 16th line. In p.sh, we have 7th line. Okay, so if we want the exact number on means on which number that this uh, word occurs, then also we can use this hyphen n option. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Next we have that suppose I am searching for I was searching inside this percentage.sh. Okay, this word division. Okay, so it was telling me as it occurs three times. Now suppose if I use V, what does this V do? Okay, what the V displays everything except the thing which I have searched. Okay, so the except the line in which my word is there, everything else will be displayed. So you can see uh, uh, every line has been displayed except the word division. Okay, from my file. So V, what does it do is that except the other thing I am searching, it will display rest of the part of the file. Is
Sonali,
it
can
clear
you
to
please?
all of you?
No,
Yes.
Sonali, can you please once again?
Okay. V option is used to display the rest of the thing. If I'm searching for a word, okay, if I searched for the word division, so you can see that except that everything it has displayed from that particular file, percentage.sh. Okay, so
Got it. Got
leaving that, yes, so leaving that line, okay, which contains the word division, everything else is displayed. Is it clear, guys?
Is it display within a file or with the file?
Pardon?
No, say if you vi division percentage dot sh. So a division which is in the file, it will display, or with the with the files or within the file divisions.
Division is a word,
No.
okay?
That's about it.
Division,
My question is, so if we give vi division percentage dot sh. Hello.
yes, I'm listening. Your question.
Okay. So it will display except the division with the files, right?
With the files, I'm not understanding.
No, division files is okay. There is a one folder in a ABC. Okay, division will be there.
Okay.
In the 1, 2, 3 folder, there are multiple files with a division. So that file,
Multiple files. I am searching for particular file. You can see I have given here a particular file name.
yes. No, my question is, so inside the division, what all the things are? It will be display here, or with the percentage files will be displayed here. I'm just asking.
I'm not able to understand your question, but I'm explaining it this again, okay?
Okay.
Hyphen VI is V stands for that the word I am searching for, except that everything will be displayed from that particular file. Okay. So I searched for division in percentage.sh. Okay. So except that the word which is searched, that particular line will not be displayed. Okay, except that everything will be displayed. You can see the output of the file that except the word division, everything is displayed.
Okay, my question was, except that file, in that file, except division, is everything displayed, right?
Yes, yes, but the line which is containing the word division is not displayed.
Okay, the line wise, it's giving a result.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's what my question is. In that whole file, it will take, and only the percentage, I mean, only the division file it
Yes,
won't display. All the rest, what all the documents, I mean, what all the lists are there, that will give the result.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that was the question. Thank you.
Okay, so B option is clear to you guys. L is clear, C is clear, I is clear, N is clear. Okay, next is that I want to search for something. Suppose I want to search for the lines, okay, which start with echo command, okay, which are starting with echo command. Okay, so how to do that? Grep. Sorry.
Sonali, can you please show me the command once again?
Wait, please. Okay, so you can see it is that the data is so much. Okay, so this display, suppose I'm taking particular file. Okay, I took particular file firstly. Okay, I searched for the word echo. Okay, which are starting with echo. Suppose. Okay, I'll search for the things which are starting with echo. Okay, so you can see here that this is starting with echo command. Okay, home.sh. So I just press enter. So the lines which are starting with the word echo will be displayed. If I just write which are starting with E, so these are displayed from that file name. Okay, so this caret stands for which are starting with. Okay, and dollar stands for ending with. Okay, suppose I want that O dollar. It means which are ending with, but no line is there inside the file which are ending, which is ending with O. Okay, so caret stands for starting with and dollar stands for ending with. And this is how we use both of them. This is the proper manner in which we use both of them. Is it clear, all
Sonali,
of you? Please see it.
yeah, can you show an example of this ending with other than this? And can you
I've
please?
shown, I've shown, I've shown you, see.
Okay, N is like I need to search for the word which is ending by N, right?
Yes, yes, in this particular file. But you can search in the entire system as well. Okay. But instead of perm.sh, you have to put asterisk. Okay. So firstly, do this, then I'll explain you in the entire system. All of you do this. Is it done, all of you? Okay, I'm moving ahead now. So all these different ones have been completed. These is completed, head and tail is completed, cut is completed, compression and compress. Okay. So compress command is used to reduce the file size. Okay. When we want to reduce the size of the file, we use this compress command. Okay. So what does this compress command is used for? Okay. Suppose if I have a very big file. Okay. I want to reduce the size of the file. Okay. We will use this compress command for that purpose. Okay. So suppose I have this perm.sh file. Okay. Okay, it is not very big. Okay, it is just 151 characters. Okay, let me make it little bit big in size. Okay. Okay, I made so many lines. Okay. I come out. Okay. I have made a very big file. If I want to see, okay, how many lines it is. So you can see 379 lines. Okay. Now let me see the size. It is 7995. Okay, it's a big size now. What I do is compress. I use compress -v. Okay, perm.sh. Okay, it is saying that 79% compression has been done. Okay, and it has been replaced by perm.sh.z. So what I do is I search for perm.sh.z. So you can see earlier it was 7995 the size, now it is 1605. Okay, so much size compression has been done, around 80% compression it has done. Okay, this is known as compressed. Now we can send this across network because the size has been reduced to so much. Okay, so it can be sent across network easily. Okay, so that's why we do the compression. Okay, now if I have to uncompress it, because this is encrypted format now. Okay, when I search, when I do that, so you can see this is an unencrypted format. Okay, so I need to, if I want to read it, I need to uncompress it. Okay, so I'll just do uncompress perm.sh.z. Okay, now you can see my perm.sh file is again back. Is it clear to you guys? Firstly, you need to compress it. Okay, using compress-v and file name. Okay, then when we compress it, we will get a compression part. Okay, we can see that my file perm.sh.z has been replaced with this .z. An extension has been put when we do the compression. Okay, so where it is compressed. Now when after compression, if I want to uncompress, I'll simply write uncompress and that particular file name.
Sonali, can we open compressed files?
I showed you now when we opened the compressed file, it was in encrypted format because it is compressed. You can't open it. Okay, if you open it, you won't understand anything.
Okay, got it.
Sonali,
Okay, so firstly,
for suppose if we send
pardon.
this compressed file to some other person, can he see the data in it?
No, he need to uncompress it first.
So he
Then
can
only he will.
uncompress.
Yes. You need to uncompress that file then.
So if I compress the file and send to you, you can uncompress.
Yes, I can uncompress surely
Here
because
-v stands for
it is having an hard z dot z na dot z, which stands for compressed file.
what?
Extension it was having a dot z.
Come again, I didn't understand.
It was having an last extension. It was having a perm.sh.z. When I've compressed the file, automatically it converted to perm.sh.z.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So this is
-v
compression all
stands
about.
for what, Sonali?
-v stands for verbose actually.
Verbals.
Okay, so -v stands for verbose. Okay, so what do you mean by verbose? Okay, verbose stands for that everything, if any error occurs, everything should be printed while the process is going on. Okay, everything should be printed. But right now, this is this is uncompressed. I need to uncompress the file, then I will get it. So when I do ls-ltr, you can see that I have this perm.sh ready now. Sorry. Is it clear to all of you?
Everything is printed in the sense to display.
Yes, yes, yes. Anything else, any problem with you guys? You just need to compress it. Okay, you will get an extension dot z with the file. Okay, uncompress that particular file. Okay, this is only the thing you need to do.
That perm.sh.z is there, no? While giving uncompress, you are giving the file name or z dot z, it's coming automatically.
It's automatically it is coming. You can see
When
I
we
did
use
not give any file name. When I just wrote my file name, so it shows that that replaced with this file name and compression this much percent.
okay.
Okay, guys. So this compress part is done and grep command is done. Okay. Um, I'll after Diwali I'll be taking a test for all of you that how whatever portion I have completed. Okay, I'll be so till Diwali. Please revise it. Okay, and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, dear. Bye bye.